Hello. Hello, hello. Is this the customer service? Yeah, I'm customer. Of course, I'm customer. I want to help me if that's possible for you. Want me to wait? You want to wait for me? Hello, I didn't know you're there. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. There's somebody over the phone right now. I will have them wait for me. That's right. Very smart. By the way, I have a next video for you. I hope you like this one. Oh my God, this one is very pretty. I like this one. Oh my God. Hoy, Balasang, come here. Do you have a fitting room? I'd like to try this one. This look very sexy to me. What did you think? What did you think? Should I lose weight or what? Look, I'm very sexy to you. What do you think? What do you think? This one here, this is this one is really skinny shirt. Do you have a fitting room here or there? Somewhere? Too many choices here. I don't know which one I should pick from this one or this one or this one. Over here is branding. It's branding. Oh, Michael and LB. Okay, they have Louis here. This one, oh, I love it. I love it here. I like Bang Bang Lu too. Should I send Bang Bang Lu to me? Oh, I need to Bang Bang Lu. I smell good. I don't think I need to buy me Bang Bang Lu already. I smell good. Oh, so hot here. Hello. Where's the AC? Oh my goodness, where's the AC here? It's super hot. Oh my goodness, they should fix their AC or something. Okay, I think I'm gonna buy all of this right here. This one right here. Next in line. Oh, keep the girdle. I don't want to see that one. Please keep the panties away. I don't want. It's so embarrassing. I'm not sexy yet. Hello, do you have discount or what? Because I'm senior citizen. But I don't bring my ID with me. But my birthday is March 26, 1948. You should come to my birthday. Bring your family. We have karaoke at the house. You go barbecue. You like dog? Of course you like dog. Oh my goodness, I never like eat dog. Everybody eat dog before, but no, I don't eat dog no more. I only eat cat now.